Sada, come here. So we can make a video of you on the bicycle. Come on.
Wait, Dadu.
Okay, drink your agua first and then go. You ready?
Ready.
Come on.
Dadu, I found more rocks.
Oh, who cares? Let's go see the other bicycles that are parked over there.
Dadu, wait. Daddy, can you check on this bike?
Okay, I'll check on it. I'll check it.
And hold on to it so it don't fly away. And hold on to it, okay? Look,
Well,
a bike.
I know. I'm going. I'll see you later.
No!
You have to follow me. Come on. Can you get me? Can you get me? Can you get me? Can you get me? Oh no! Be careful, no! Don't get Dadu! Oh, you're doing good, Sada. Keep going.